Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about WeChat status privacy. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. Next thing you need to do is to click on me. The next thing you need to do is to click on status. Now here, you can post character or custom image or video as a status. Let's say for instance, I want to post work trip. I'm going to select this particular icon right here. So having select the icon, the next thing I need to do is to enter something right here. So I wanna travel next week. Now, let's say you don't want everybody to see this particular update on your WeChat status. What you need to do before you click on that it, what you need to do is to click on privacy right here. And here we can explain in detail right here. Now, if you put it in public right here, you have all your contact on WeChat having access to your WhatsApp, to your WeChat status visibility. If you put it in private, it simply means that as at the time you put it in private, only you will have access to view the status on your WeChat account. So if you decide to share with, click on share with here, you can decide to share it with some selected contact on your tag or on your selected contact on your contact. So if you click on selected from your tag right here, if you click on select contact right here, this allows you to select some of the contacts from your contact here that you want them to see the status. So you can select as many as possible contacts from your contact list right here. Once you select there, click on select, then save tag, or better still, I'm going to click on ignore. Then you have them right here. So which simply means that by the time you publish this your status, only these people will have access to view the status on your WeChat account. Or better still, when you move to don't share, so click on don't share. When you click on don't share, it means that these are the set of people you don't want to share your WeChat status with. So for you to do that, you can select from tags. If you have any tags, that means some of the one you have been using so far, you can click on here to choose from the select tag. Or better still, you can select contact right here. So if I click on select contact, it means that I want to select some of the contacts right here that I do not want them to view my status. You can select as many as possible. Once you select, click on select, then click on ignore right here. Now here it means that, so it simply means that these people here, I don't want to share my WeChat status with them. Once you are done with every setting, simply click on done right here. When you click on done, then you come, it takes you back right here. You can simply click on that's it right here. So click on that's it, and it's going to be updated into your WeChat status right here. With the selected people that you don't want them to view, they will not be able to view the status. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.